Okay, let's do a quick introduction to layers. In this case, I have zero, or I only have one layer, which is zero level. Let's make some new layers by going to Layers Properties and select this, or Alt N, I think it was. Let's make some new layers, and let's call this Guide 1, Enter, and let's choose the color to be red, just so you can see the difference. Now, if I create I'm selected here, it's not my, it's actually not selected, but it's highlighted here. So if I click on that, I will get another red layer. Let's call this Guide 2. But let's change the color to blue. Alright, so now we have two different layers, and I want to introduce this to you so you get familiar with the idea of what you can do with it and what purpose there is to it. So let's dock this, auto hide. Now, I would like to change the layer that it's on. In this case, let's change this to Guide 1, and you see it changes to red, and they are on another layer now. Now let's choose, this is actually the thing that chooses your layer that you're currently drawing on. And let's do a line, and we'll go from here. As far as, we're going to choose some dot commands, dot X, and we choose next we choose that. And so this, once we're in the same plane as that, we can actually make a quick connection. Boom, and that's on another layer. So we can go into our layer properties, and we can turn off the red layer, and now we can easily select just that, and in this case let's just move it from here over to there, and now we'll go back into our layers, and we will turn on our red, and you will see that they exist. They were really, it would have been hard to select just those few lines, 3 lines. Anyway, so it's easier to select by using the layers. And also, when you want to delete layers, you can turn off all other layers. And you can do something like this. Here you can select all but current. So that selects all the ones that you don't use, and you can turn them off quickly. And so just the current layer exists, which is this blue line down here. So that's your introduction to layers and control of layers, and that will